Good morning. Rosie Burroughs here in Merced, California with my husband Ward Burroughs. And today Ward is going to be talking about our poultry unit designs that we use on the different farms for our Burroughs family orchards.
Good morning everyone. So what we've elected to do is try to recycle something that was a very important part of California agriculture for a long time, and then now has been basically retired. And this is an old cotton trailer. They used to haul the cotton from the fields to the gins 50 years ago. So a lot of these are still sitting around the fields. We buy them for around $500 a piece, and what we're after is the frame and the chassis. The wheels, and they all have, they all turn as real well. So, and then we modify them to make these mobile hen houses. Okay, and this is the start. We're kind of right in the middle of this specific trailer. This is a 35-footer, and that's what we found that is going to probably work the best for us, because we like to put somewhere between 400 and 500 hens in a trailer. And the 35-footers gives us a little more square footage. What we do is cut the sides down. We cut the sides down because the original cotton trailers are quite a bit higher sided, and then we put a roof over them. This roof is actually 14 feet. The original ones we made 12, but I wanted to try get a little more shade, and so this is what we have 14 foot of shade with the tin, and then we'll put a 3 foot shade cloth that with hinges on each side, and so that gives us a little more shade here in this hot Central Valley. The nest boxes on these actually came from another project that we bought out, and so we're actually redoing these so that they'll fit here, so the hens have their access from the inside. The eggs will be outside here. We'll end up actually putting a rubber matting here to prevent breakage and crackage, and we'll show you that in the other trailer that's we're going to show you in just a minute. That has a little different design on the nest boxes, but we have two sets. These came this way, and so it's a double set. These I think are 5-foot sections. So we're going to have I think 6 boxes on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there'll be 7 on the other side. This side we actually will have the 2 ramps coming down that the chickens will enter and exit with. And then the other thing that we'll do, and we'll show you on the other trailer, but we have water barrels on each end of it, okay? That have automatic waters, that feed automatic waters. So this is what we what seems to work very well for us. A 30 to 35 foot cotton trailer is what we're working with. So these trailers are 8 feet wide, and what we've done is use an A-frame design, and there's four 2x2 bars that go all the way down on both sides, and that way the hens can roost. They're not right on top of each other. They're offset just a little bit, and they utilize that very, very well, and yet they can still get in the nest boxes, in and out the way they want to. And anyway, these trailers, the water barrels, I don't have a picture of that, but the water barrels, we use a 55-gallon plastic drum, and we mount it right on the front and the back, and then plumb it down into a little 30-gallon barrel that we cut off and use an automatic water in it. Thank you. I wanna just go over. We figure that we have about $3,500 to $4,000 in each one of these trailers by the time we're all done. We depreciate that over 4 to 5 years. We figure then about $1,000 a year depreciation for the trailer cost. But the way these are set up, I think they'll last a lot longer than that. They should last 10 years with not a whole lot of expense to do it. We do bring these in and between flocks, and we'll pressure wash them all down, and so that they're real clean when we go back with a new flock. but that's going to be about every 12 to 6 to 18 months. Okay. Otherwise they're pretty trouble free. Thank you.